Hi, I'm Shahram Safai. I'm a corporate partner at a Freeding Angel in Dubai. I'm here to talk to you about tax and business income tax, which is coming to the UAE on June 1st, 2023. I used to practice tax law in Canada, and now the UAE is introducing a business income tax, as I said, in June 1st, 2023. The tax that's going to come is going to apply to natural persons, individuals who do business, to companies that are incorporated in the UAE, and foreign companies that have a permanent establishment in the UAE. Free zone companies will also be exempt to the extent that the free zone company has given a promise of tax-free for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or 50 years. Otherwise, they're subject to tax. So the question being, what is taxable income? And that's very important in determining what tax you pay. The good news is that the tax code will accept the taxable income generally in accounting statements, financial statements for your company, for your business, pursuant to the accounting rules that apply in the UAE. For individuals, it will be, and UAE companies that are subject to tax, it will be worldwide income. As far as shareholders, you should know that there's an exemption for shareholders. If they sell shares, there's no tax on dividends and there's no tax on capital gains. The other part of looking at taxable income is that up to 50% of your entertainment expenses can be written off. And finally, a very important point has to do with business losses. If I have a business loss during this year, it's a huge business loss, and I can only write off a portion, can I carry the balanced business loss into future years? And the answer is yes. That can be carried forward up to 75% of taxable income. So it's quite a flexible code, and it's something that is pursuant to best practices globally. The tax rate. What is the tax rate that's applicable? Well, if you make less than 375,000 dirhams on taxable income, tax rate is 0, and that's great news. But anything above that, the tax rate will be 9%. So every business, it includes individual or company that's doing business, has to register with the Federal Tax Authority, the FTA, for tax. And then you have to file a tax return every year along with supporting documents. And the important thing to note, as with any country, you can be assessed. Thank you very much.